Welcome back, everybody, to Kenny's Tool Review. Going over a couple oddity tools today. So I guess we'll start off with this extractor set. This is a super cheap set I bought off Amazon. I don't even know how to pronounce that brand. Rebra. Sounds like one of these new kids now. What's up, brah? But yeah, anyways, it comes with a bunch of extractors, obviously turbo sockets. I've already got those. That's not why I bought it. Left-handed drill bits, which I didn't have and seem to be missing one. I don't remember. I think that one broke. But I did have to use one of these recently, and it worked really good. I believe it was this one. All the rust on it, where I had a bolt that was broken off, but not frozen in there, and I first tried to drill it with a normal drill and actually screwed it in further, and so I went and grabbed this set and got a bite of it and it zipped it right out. I didn't even need to drill it. Probably the only time that's going to work. Obviously, if it's broken off because the threads are all corroded and stuck, it's not going to zip right out like that, like some people say it will online. I've never had it happen. You got to be careful with these ones. If you're going to drill a hole and then use these to take it out, because if you break these off, any of these hardened steel off in the hole, you're pretty screwed. I also, this right here, this is a Quick Connect, manufactured by American Tool Co. That's the number right there. I actually got this off my dad. This is pretty old. This is after he retired. It's basically just got a 1/4 inch and a 3-inch drive chuck, and it shows it here. You see, you can use it as a right angle drill. I don't use it like that. A right angle drill actually works way better than this, especially where this is kind of a little bit wonky when it's on your extension or on your tool. I use this as an extendo drill, basically. I'll put that thing on like a big long extension if I need to get somewhere. Like I said, it does wobble on the end, but there's no other way usually to drill said thing with, you know, something smaller. So comes in handy. It's not obviously not perfect, and you can do things like put a carbide bit on it or what. But basically that's what I use it for, extendo drill. Works great. Right here, another kind of oddity. Not a lot of people might know about this. I picked this up. I'll do a shameless plug right here to the South Main Auto channel with Eric O. This Cincinnati tube squeezer. I don't think doesn't have a part number, but there's the information right there for customer support if you want one. Basically, you open this bad boy up. You slide a tube in there, like, you know, say this, you slide a tube in there, and it turns that tube into a caulking gun. It's quite dusty because I don't really use it anymore, because we use an actual caulking gun for our with tubes for our RTV, so I rarely use it anymore. But this thing is amazing. If you need to squeeze a tube, if you got Honda Bond, or you're getting tubes from, you know, if you're at home DIYer and you're trying to squeeze some RTV or something, and you want a nice control, and you don't want to get some finger cramps, this thing is the bomb. You want it, I'm telling you. It's worth like the whatever, $10 or whatever that it costs. It's amazing. Next, we got these hose clamp pliers, the long reach, extended, remote, whatever you want to call them, hose clamp pliers. These Astro ones are like the same. You can't see the part number anymore. It's worn out, but I'll find a link for as much of the stuff as I can, put it on the description for you. These work great. I love them. Use them all the time. It's even like half worn out right here. I might need to get a new cable soon, which the cables are replaceable. I can even get it through my Snap-on guy, because they have the exact same design on one of theirs. Which brings me to my next one, the Snap-on SHCP2. And I got sold this thing because I was told that it is better than this, and that sometimes you can't use anything else but this, apparently on Land Rover or whatever. I don't know. I have never been able to figure out what it works for. It's so loose and limp here. When you stick it on both the ends and then clamp it, these don't stay on. And I don't know what application they're for. Maybe someone else can tell me in the comments. Because I can't really return it at this time. But like, it fucking sucks, man. I wish I never bought it, because I've never been able to use it. And I hate spending money on tools that I cannot use. So, yeah, basically. I'll also do a re-mention of the free tool giveaway. If I could find some of these tools, I'll be able to give them away if that's better than the previous video of the tool giveaway with the other 2 tools that I recommended. But first 100 subs basically get entered in a raffle. So if you're not subscribed yet, definitely subscribe and leave a comment or a like telling me that you want to be entered into the raffle. And I'll put you in there. And like I said, first 100 subs will be entered in a raffle, and one will be a winner of a free tool. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day.